much. Stranger danger. I'm going to rape you!
Good
morning. Gentlemen!
Can you feel light moving through your mind? Oh, looks like you came back for more. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can you feel time slipping down your spine? Oh, you're trying to ignore. Yeah, but you can hardly swallow.
That girl, Matoy, she's still alive and is most likely going to come back to the school to finish what she started.
To finish what was started.
I'm aware. Let us hope you fare better than Tom.
I just love it. I can't find any fault.
I can in your horror pilots.
Well, it is par for the course.
Fuck you!
So, Besticle.
Testicle.
Besticle.
Testicle.
Besticle.
Testicle.
Besticle. Hey, you weren't doing anything to me last night, were you? Marco, what are you?
Shh, just let it happen.
Will you two keep it down? I'm trying to lick my pussy.
I wasn't wanting to sleep. No.
I bet you like being tied up.
Better than being tied down by the man.
Fuck the police.
Oh!
Why the fuck am I naked?
Before I answer that,
Fuck me!
acupuncture, to help you relax. Also to make it easier for me to
Rape you!
You're gonna need a bigger dick to get inside of me.
phrasing.
Whatever. Come on, give it to me. I can take
Hey, I'm Gruff.
dick.
Ah, yes.
My body's telling me yes.
Oh, you sick pervert!
So what are your plans for her?
Unloading on her from all sides.
Just as Tommy would. Wow, she could really take a pounding.
Phrasing.
Ooh, my spider sense is tingling.
I was born this way.
Well, you're choosing to shake what your mama gave you.
You did not just bring up my mother.
I totally did.
You.
Foul!
What?
That's it. Do not pass go. Do not collect $200. It's called a foul. Haven't you played b-ball before?
Chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool and all shooting some b-balls out of the school.
She's so fucking cute.
Thanks, Testy. Fuck!
You fucking idiot!
Mako, scissor me!
It sounds disgusting.
Are you sure?
Yes!
No! Are you kidding me? No! We cheat!
No!
My pleasure. Ryuko, you mad, bro? Huh?
You killed my father! I fucking...
I'm not gonna dignify that with a phrasing.
Now, Sanagayama, be a good sport. Oh, who am I kidding? You couldn't even get that part right.
What the hell is this?
I am the legendary super uniform, Senketsu. I would have preferred notes Feratu, but you know, copyright.
I don't want you on me! Get off! Get off! Get off! Get off! Get off! Get off!
day has come. The news that was sent to change my life has fallen upon me. I'll be right back.